Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Maz Naturals, and welcome to all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thank you for rocking with me all these years while I've been doing these videos for you. Now today's video is my ACV routine, and I say ACV without the baking soda. I've eliminated baking soda from my deep conditioning routine because I just found it was a bit too drying with that and with the vinegar and the baking soda. So I've opted for just vinegar. Now this apple cider vinegar is so good for balancing the pH levels of your hair, and it prevents it neutralizes the scalp and gets rid of buildup, all those creams or sprays that you use in your locks. This helps to get rid of it. And also, if you've got an itchy scalp like what I normally used to have, it helps to soothe that as well. So today I'm doing this ACV with the apple cider vinegar, where I just spray my locks. I actually saturate my locks with the apple cider vinegar, and then I massage it into my scalp and all throughout my locks. As you can see, I'm spraying it onto my scalp and massaging it as I go, so it loosens up if there's any build up, it will lift off as I massage it, because the ACV actually penetrates the scalp. So that's why I like to use it. It's not as, I find it not as drying as when I use it with the baking soda. That's why I don't use the baking soda anymore. I just find it's a bit harsh for my particular locks. But if you guys use the baking soda for your locks, then carry on, it's fine. But for me, I just found it a bit too strong, and I think that it was the reason why my ends of my hair was kind of breaking, because I think it was too harsh for my hair type. So that's why I don't use it anymore, and I'm just happy to use the apple cider vinegar. So once I sprayed it, saturated it, massaged it, then I put on my plastic cap and I leave that on for about 15-30 minutes at the most, just to allow the vinegar to penetrate. After that, I wash it out thoroughly, and this is the result of me washing out the vinegar. Beautiful, fresh smelling locks. I'm telling you, it really does the job. And my locks feel so soft, just so fresh, so shiny. I don't know if you can actually see it in the video, but it was so shiny and bouncy. You can see the springiness of the actual roots. That's when I know that I've done the process well. So I'm just inspecting, making sure there's no leftover build-up. I couldn't smell anything. My hair felt bouncy, and it just really felt really, really clean. I would 100% advise anyone to do this method. Now, this is my hot oil treatment, what I'm going to put on, but it's more to sort of put in the locks. So now I'm spraying in my rosemary leave-in conditioner. This is my leave-in conditioner. I actually make this rosemary spray, and it's telling you guys, it is fantastic. I'm trying and get this out so you guys can buy it, but I'm just figuring out how to do that, because I want to make sure everything's going to be put together properly. So I'll keep you updated on that. But I saturate my hair with this leave-in conditioner. I don't wash it out when I put this rosemary spray. It's fresh rosemary leaves that I boil. And honestly, guys, I think this is the reason why my locks are starting to grow more, is because of this rosemary rinse. So I just spray this on my locks and make sure it's kind of massaged throughout the hair. And then, of course, I use my oil, my peppermint oil. And this is my oil, Locked by Maz. I've got a Locs page on Instagram. So, guys, you can go and follow my Loc page. And you can purchase this oil either on my Loc page or my Maz Naturals page. I've been using this oil for a while, and honestly, it is amazing. It's peppermint, and it's just nourishes my scalp, nourishes my locks, and it smells amazing. And it's just got so many benefits. The peppermint oil. It's also mixed with rosemary, essential oils, vitamin E oil, apricot oil, and extra virgin olive oil. Those are my favorite oils, and them combined is absolutely amazing for the scalp and for your locks. And I don't use a lot of oil, as you can see in the little bowl, little dish. It's just maybe a thimble, couple of thimbles full. So I will apply the oil to my entire hair, especially the ends of the hair, and massage it through. And make sure I pay particular attention to the ends of my locks. This feels so amazing. So I don't wash any of this out. I keep it in, and throughout the day it just soaks into my scalp and soaks into my locks and helps to keep it moisturized, because obviously I put the water in, which seals it in, the moisture, when I put the oils on top. And this massage brush comes in my shop as well. This massage brush is amazing. If any of you do not use a massage brush, what are you playing at? Start using one, because this stimulates hair growth, it stimulates the hair follicles, and it's so relaxing. I actually love using this massage brush, and it's always part of my regime during the week. So I probably once or twice a week I will use this brush, and it's just so great. It helps to stimulate the hair follicles, as I've said before, and it's just so relaxing. So guys, please get into it. Get a massage brush. It will enhance your lock routine. Just use gentle circular motions, nothing too harsh. And that completes my routine. So guys, I'm back. Now this is the next day. So I washed my hair and did the treatment on Saturday. Today's Sunday, and I've come back to show you the results of the apple cider vinegar treatment. And I did a light retwist, not a tight one, because I didn't really want to do a tight retwist. So show you the back. And show you the hair itself. Trying to get as close as I can, so you can see the hair just feels really soft. It just feels so soft. The locks feel soft. And like I said, I didn't do a tight retwist. You can see even some of them I missed out because I don't like a tight retwist, because I don't like to see my scalp, because I just don't like it. Yeah, so the treatment, the scalp, no itchy scalp, because obviously, as you know, I used, this is the apple cider vinegar I used. You could use any. This is the brand I used. And for those who are in England, London, England, I got this from Aldi. But you can get it from anywhere, as long as it's organic. This is organic apple cider vinegar. It's gentle. As I said earlier in the video, I diluted it with water and just sprayed it on my scalp. Honestly, guys, it's the best. It is the best treatment. My scalp doesn't feel dry. It feels moisturized. Obviously, when I first did it, it felt dry, but once I rinsed it out and then added my conditioner, which I can bring, I use my rosemary spray as a leave-in conditioner, and that's it. So I did the hot oil treatment using my oil, which I did the double boiler method, as you saw in the early part of the video. And then, so I'll use this first, then I use the hot oil on the hair. I try not to get too on the scalp. I kind of did it more on the hair because it's going to dribble down to the scalp anyway, because I don't use a lot of oil in my hair because it weighs it down, and my hair density is not massive, so I don't use a lot of oil, and you don't need to use a lot of oil anyway. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So I would advise anyone to use the apple cider vinegar for a treatment if you want to get rid of build-up. And I did notice a little bit of build-up still, because what happens is once the vinegar starts working into the hair shaft to bring out the build-up, you might find some will come to the surface of your locks, and I did find a little bit. I'm trying to find it now. Just a tiny bit here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's just two little spots here. 1, 2 little spots of build-up. But I could either, well, I don't think I'm going to pick it out. I'll just leave it to the next shampoo. And then, oh, it's actually, I managed to pick it out. So I think it wasn't build-up. I think it was just, fluff. You know, you pick up all sorts when you got locks, so you really got to inspect them and make sure you ain't got any fluff and bits and bobs what can get attached to it. Hence why I try not to use too much products in my locks. So guys, if you got any questions or if you got any comments, and if you've done this treatment yourself, then do leave it in the comments box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be alerted of my up and coming videos. So as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.